A fashionista's dream, luxurious eyewear without the added cost. Be a quirkier fashionista whatever the weather. Know the latest trends in eyewear that fits your personality. Everybody has wanted a taste of luxury, but unfortunately for most people, it's either too hard or too expensive to achieve. The closest to luxury one can ever taste is through wearing the latest trends in fashion, adorning themselves with the latest accessories, strutting in the latest in shoes, and carrying the latest in handbags along. Sad to say, these can come quite expensive, too. Perhaps the greatest accessory that is sure to get you noticed is the ever-trendy eyewear. Yes, even the latest in eyewear hasn't pushed past the expensive mark as yet. Sunglasses are just as important as all the outfits you put together. It gives a better overall impression. Not to mention, it gives you an air of mystique. No wonder people have been purchasing glasses here and there. The decision to buy is not just random, it has to be calculated even to the last detail. So what can you fashionistas get in as little cost as possible? Numerous, whether you wish to purchase designer brands or those that don't have brands at all, if you know what there is to know about eyewear, and then nobody will ever notice the difference. There are a lot of designs that have been coming out from the fashion industry with regards to the latest in eyewear. Let's start with the shape. The latest fashion in eyewear that are in the rave right now are your oversized shades. Fashionistas anywhere in the world have a preference for these glasses, as it shields enough of the eyes and face without hampering your appearance. You should choose wisely, for some of these oversized shades can be heavy and can rest on your cheeks if they don't have the proper ear supports and nasal rims. Oversized shades that have these qualities can be a nuisance and should be avoided as possible. Thanks. Watch Plesme channel. Please subscribe us.